How much does it cost to send BTC from Coinbase? Question: ever wondered how much it costs to send Bitcoin, BTC, from Coinbase? It's a question that many crypto enthusiasts and investors have asked themselves. In this video, we'll break down the factors that influence the fees, explore the different fee structures, and provide some tips to help you minimize costs. Imagine you've just made a significant profit from your Bitcoin investment and want to transfer your funds to a hardware wallet for safekeeping. Or perhaps you're sending BTC to a friend or family member. Understanding the fees involved is crucial to ensure you're maximizing your returns. Understanding Coinbase fees. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers various services, including buying, selling, and sending cryptocurrencies. When it comes to sending BTC, there are two main types of fees to consider. Transaction fees. These fees are paid to the Bitcoin network to process your transaction. They are not controlled by Coinbase. The transaction fee is determined by the network's congestion. When the network is busy, fees tend to be higher. Coinbase network fees. These fees are charged by Coinbase to cover the costs associated with processing your transaction on their platform. They are typically calculated as a percentage of the transaction amount. Factors affecting transaction fees. Several factors can influence the transaction fees on the Bitcoin network. Network congestion. When more people are using the Bitcoin network, the demand for block space increases, leading to higher fees. Transaction size. Larger transactions require more block space and, therefore, tend to have higher fees. Priority. You can choose to pay a higher fee to prioritize your transaction and ensure it is confirmed more quickly. Coinbase network fees. Coinbase network fees can vary depending on the transaction type and the amount being sent. In general, they are relatively low compared to other exchanges. However, it's important to check Coinbase fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Tips for minimizing fees. Here are some tips to help you minimize the fees when sending BTC from Coinbase. Choose off-peak times. Avoid sending BTC during peak hours when network congestion is high. Optimize transaction size. If possible, combine multiple smaller transactions into a larger one to reduce the overall fee. Consider SegWit. SegWit is a technology that can reduce transaction size and, consequently, fees. Use a hardware wallet. Storing your BTC on a hardware wallet can help you avoid transaction fees when sending funds to other wallets. The cost of sending BTC from Coinbase depends on various factors, including network congestion, transaction size, and Coinbase network fees. By understanding these factors and following the tips outlined in this video, you can minimize your costs and maximize your profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, staying informed about cryptocurrency fees is essential for making informed financial decisions.